Today, Blackrock truly pulls off a historic act. Then Shiba Inu makes an absolutely bonkers partnership announcement. In spite of all the excitement, Shiba Inus keep falling and other people give up hope. However, Shytoshi Kusama wasted no time responding. Is there finally going to be a way out of this mess? On the other hand, will the bleeding stop, and what is the relevance of Blackrock to this whole mess? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Important notice, the Shiba Inu group has some wild news to share with the world today. A groundbreaking partnership with Chainlink has recently been unveiled. Yes, Shiba Inu has joined forces with a major player in the cryptocurrency industry, and word of this cooperation is spreading like wildfire. This partnership is all about increasing the project's legitimacy and unleashing some enormous potential, so it's a huge deal for Shiba Inu. They are, in a nutshell, incorporating Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability algorithm. Shiba Inu is preparing itself to be considerably more approachable in this way, more effectively over several blockchain networks. With this, transactions will be more rapid, secure, and painless than ever before, which might lead to unprecedented growth and prosperity for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Yet, let me tell you something. Although there has been a lot of buzz about the Shiba Inu and Chainlink collaboration, the price charts reveal a more dismal reality. Serious hits have persisted for Shiba Inus. It has lost around 20% of its value in only a few trading sessions. Traders often keep an eye on important support levels, such as the 50-day moving average, but the price has fallen below that and is now lingering considerably lower, even entering territory that indicates deeper worries. This precipitous decline exemplifies the strong selling pressure that is presently prevailing in the market. At the present, Shiba Inu is fighting an uphill struggle, and the trend appears to be running counter to those positive price forecasts. Many are beginning to doubt the wisdom of purchasing a Shiba Inu due to the continued decline in their value. Indeed, the token's value continues to decline despite the numerous promising new collaborations and advancements. The community's dread and confusion has only grown as a result. The general public is beginning to question, what the fuck is going on in spite of all the good news? Why is the price still going down? The solution, it turns out, is related to Bitcoin. The entire cryptocurrency market has been feeling the pinch as Bitcoin's price has been falling as of late. Now, though, what is really going on? The current state of Bitcoin ETFs is one of wild outflows. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs had their biggest net outflow ever, worth about $672 million, signaling a dramatic change in the cryptocurrency market. A major piece of the puzzle of how institutions are handling digital assets has been added by this unexpected rush of withdrawals, which entirely disrupts the typical pattern of consistent inflows. An enormous withdrawal of about $209 million was made by Fidelity, constituting the largest portion of this outflow, because it draws attention to a change in institutional behavior and prompts important concerns regarding hidden dynamics. This is quite significant. It gets wild from here, though. The Bitcoin ETF from Blackrock remains stable. Unlike other corporations, Blackrock did not witness any significant outflows that day, which caused the entire crypto market to tremble, and that, when you consider it, is really nuts. Everyone else in the market is losing ground, having an adverse effect on all coins while having no effect on Blackrock's ETF. Because it further solidifies the mythology surrounding the Blackrock brand, this finding is shocking everyone. As the rest of the market tries to catch up, it seems like they're playing by their own rules. It finally makes sense why Shiba Inu prices drop in tandem with Bitcoin prices. The Shiba Inu market is not immune to the effects of Bitcoin's price fluctuations, as the cryptocurrency is often considered to be the market leader. This has far-reaching consequences for the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem, particularly in light of the recent withdrawals from Bitcoin ETFs. Even while Shiba Inu has its own initiatives and collaborations, its success is still highly dependent on Bitcoin's. Consequently, Shiba Inu and other tokens are also experiencing pressure when Bitcoin is having problems. Considering the crypto industry as a whole, it all makes sense. Still, when looking at the broader view, experts aren't very concerned. Actually, a lot of people are predicting a huge price explosion sometime next year and think this might be just a small correction. In fact, a prominent Twitter expert recently posted his thoughts on the matter. Will this Bitcoin crash get worse? He wondered. I continued by saying that they are keeping a close eye on a fractal that started in December 2023. In essence, he believes that things may take a further nosedive before they recover. Nevertheless, he is convinced that the first quarter will witness a meteoric rise in Bitcoin prices. Therefore, although the short-term picture may be gloomy, the long-term picture is extremely positive. Plus, in a separate tweet, the analyst provided even more context. He brought up the fact that according to charts, Bitcoin typically has a 40% return in December, particularly in halving years. However, at this time, the return is a meager 1%. He laid out the enormous chasm that must be filled before we can expect the usual rewards. He made a graphic depicting Bitcoin's monthly return to emphasize this point, which makes the deviation from the norm for growth quite apparent. If Bitcoin can narrow that gap and capture those average returns, it might set off a huge market boom, therefore this is crucial. Furthermore, altcoins such as Shiba Inu are prone to replicate Bitcoin's rally. Thus, although it may appear that nothing is happening at the moment, there is a chance for a significant recovery, particularly if the trends materialize as anticipated. That we have so much room for improvement is made abundantly clear by this. No matter how bad things are right now, they will only be bad for a little while. A member of the Shiba Inu squad named Lucy actually said something similar in one of her posts. This crash means nothing in the long term, she stated. Do not let the background noise distract you. She wants us to remember that temporary obstacles like the one we're facing right now shouldn't derail us from our long-term goals. The future of Shiba Inu with its collaborations and increasing usefulness is the most important thing. Even while the market is now down, it's really only a temporary setback compared to the bigger picture. The true potential for growth is still very much present so long as we maintain our focus on the long-term objectives. Those short-term setbacks will not appear as big. On top of everything else, the man driving the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shytoshi Kusama, has made a strong statement to silence anyone who question and criticize the breed. This followed his response to an ex-post by well-known crypto specialist Del Crypto, who noted that Kusama had previously taken action to satisfy her detractors. Shytoshi Kusama makes haters quiet, Del Crypto wrote in the post. Shiba Inu's relationship with Chainlink was recently announced, and this statement follows immediately after. According to Del Crypto, the collaboration was the catalyst Kusama needed to finally put her detractors to rest. Shytoshi Kusama didn't stop there, which is interesting. He took note of the remark and stated that he has not yet subdued his detractors, but that he would do so in the near future. The Shiba Inu ecosystem, headed by Kusama, may be getting ready to unveil yet another revolutionary move that will rock the crypto world, according to this answer, which suggests that something major is on the way. The future of Shiba Inu still appears quite bright despite the fact that the breed is currently experiencing certain difficulties, most notably with its pricing. Thanks to Shytoshi Kusama's direction, the enthusiastic collaborations, and the community's steadfast support, the Shiba Inu is obviously setting itself up for a major future. We appear to be on the verge of something truly revolutionary, and the vision for Shiba Inu is unwavering, even though the critical reception has been short-lived. With the correct actions taken, the Shiba Inu community is more united than ever before, and the project and its supporters have a bright future ahead of them. Bye. What do you think about this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. If you're interested in learning more, just click on one of the videos displayed. We have reached the final segment of this video. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get updates from this channel if you liked the video. Stay safe and don't risk losing money by missing a crucial Shiba Inu update. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you could forward this video to everyone you know. We need to spread the word about this.